bounce, 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 bouncing on your Oz trampoline.
This is to install a summit round trampoline, the net. So firstly, place your net on top of the trampoline and find which sleeve is holding your entrance. So you can find on the inside the double flap is on the inside, and this sleeve will stay there, be installed on that pole there. Secondly, grab all your poles and put them together. Slide bang on the ground and close them up, and put one pole at each leg around the trampoline. Next stage is to place 2 of the clamps for the poles and a T-piece at each leg as you go around to get yourself ready to put the poles in. The next stage is to feed the poles up through the sleeves of the net, and it does help if you've got a battery drill with a 10mm socket to speed up the process. Best to install the poles on both sides of the entrance area first, and once you've secured 4 poles, then it's best to put all the next 4 poles up before securing them, because there is more tension on the net. Now we're going to insert the rods into the horizontal sleeves of the net. The straps over the T-pieces are just a guide until the rods are in place. Once all rods are in place, then we can insert them into the T-pieces. Now that all the rods are in the sleeves, you go around and insert the rod into each T-piece. Near the end of this installation, the rods will be a little bit tight. You just need to flex, pull the rod in to get it in, and it will all be nice and tight and snug. Next, clip the outside net bottom clips to the triangles of the mat. As you go around, this is installing the flap entrance to our round summit trampoline, and the flaps on the inside here. Go underneath there, you feed them through between the springs, and they come back to the edge of the frame here. You just tie it off fairly loosely in a bow, so it can be adjusted so that it's still flat and you start to create a tunnel. Secondly, the elastic that goes to one of these hoops here, the elastic is supplied in the kit. Go through there. That also goes to the inside and comes back underneath the springs. Back to the frame. Pass it through itself and just adjust that one there. And you've created your entrance through the tunnel, and if they were bouncing into that, it closes on itself, so very safe.
You can have fun bouncing on your Oz trampoline.